I'm Luke Cavett from Boutique Realty, and today I'm going to take you through 20 Wiglow Street at Wacol. So we've got a beautiful front. I'll take you up to the side here. What we're looking at there is the entrance into the downstairs area. Nice big open sliding door and tinted windows for indoor privacy during the day. Spacious side access there, plenty of room for the rubbish bins, and you can see the amenities down the side. Now what you'll notice here too is that you've got a beautiful leafy reserve right across the road, so you're not looking at neighbours. You've got the side access carport, which leads out to double lock-up garage, which I'll take you through to after I've been through the home. You'll see here the front stair access. Brings you to your front porch, plenty of space, and then through your main entrance door into a nice entrance. You've got your dining area and a living area, very nice and open. Leads you through to a kitchen, which I'll take you into in a moment. Down the hallway here, onto nice carpet. We've got the bathroom at the centre of the home. Well laid out. Nice space down as well. Caught myself in the mirror there. Good sized shower. Nice modern shower screens. With a double towel rack. We've got a separate toilet. Lots of space, and this takes you through into what is currently being used as an office. You've got built-in cupboards there, but a perfect bedroom. Also has a working air conditioner in the back there. This is currently your main bedroom. Also has a separate air conditioner. And it's spaced out well. This is your third bedroom. We're upstairs. Nice little desk area. Built-in cupboards. Plenty of space. Now that room doesn't have an air conditioner, but you already have the two air conditioners in the bedrooms, and then this main air conditioner in the living room. Very spacious living, which leads you through into the kitchen. Now the kitchen's very functional, so it's also centered in the home quite well. And this little nook here is used as your pantry. Now you'll notice that the rear balcony, hello puppy, is connected well with the home. That's okay, that's okay. And it's spaced out very well. Plenty of space for a large barbecue back there and a dining or entertaining. You'll notice you've got lots of space out onto the backyard as well, a good view, and that's the double lock-up garage. I'm just going to go over the top here. Got rear stairs taking you down to the backyard area. Nice little footpath out to the clothesline. You'll see there's some established gardens, so I'll come back to that in a moment. So this is also an undercover patio area, just underneath where that main balcony was. And this leads us through into the downstairs. Now you'll see it's very spacious and laid out very well. There's also another air conditioner in here. And this is a shower and toilet for the downstairs. Now this is a kitchenette connected to gas. And I'll just turn around for you so you can get an idea of how big that space is. And we'll come down into a very large separate laundry with also external access. Just gives you an idea of the layout there. Now this comes down into a very wide open space, and that's where we started the video outside. So it's actually quite private in here, even though you can see out during the day. They are tinted so no one can see in. Now this carpet, you can't feel it, but it's very soft, and this space is very wide with another air conditioner in the corner there. There's so much opportunity or potential down here to use it as another living space for adults or friends and family that come to stay, or even a stay-at-home business. This could be used as another utility area, and this is a walk-in storage space. I can turn the light on for you. You get an idea of just how well this home has been laid out. And this leads you through to where we entered into this area. So you've got sliding access from the front all the way through to this area here. And the colour scheme and the carpet make it feel very fresh and modern. This garden area is quite large. The block size is 693 square metres. You'll see that you've got plenty of access to come through that carport down to the double garage. Now you do have a rainwater tank there that you could use for watering the garden or lawn, or perhaps as a fuel station for water fights with the kids in summer. Now the double lock-up garage does have power connected to it, and you'll see that there are some established gardens and your garden shed. So a little brick path here that'll take you down, and you'll see there's some space just sitting behind the double garage as well. So it's quite private here. You'll see there's no houses sitting hard up against the fence lines. And again, because you've got that leafy reserve at the front of the property, it just feels nice and private. Thank you for coming through 20 Wiglow Street at Wacol with me today. It's been a pleasure, and I hope to see you here for the open home. Thanks so much.